Welcome to Santa's Village. We're going to have a look at some of the interesting projects we've done here over the years. It's been a long line of projects over the last 10 years. It's been a great partnership for both of us. We've done a total of 349 piles here. We've done buildings, decks, ramps, rides, and this latest project is a roller coaster. Because Santa's Village is right on Muskoka River, the soil is pretty undependable. So we've gone down between 35 and 140 feet here to get our bearing for all the different points on the roller coaster. It's a fairly complicated project because each point of support has a differing amount of either compressive load or lateral load or tension load, and it's been a trick to work out how we're going to achieve all those in this particular soil. It's always an adventure working here. It's a positive working experience and a privilege to help bring the park. Working here is great because we have, Santa himself who's always helpful directing things, but there are a variety of very helpful elves scurrying about who are always ready to lend a hand.
Ho, 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 Santa here, coming from his home in Bracebridge, Muskoka. I want to share the important work Postech Screw Piles have done at my second home here. Their screw piles keep all of our buildings and rides safe for all of our guests. If you need a strong foundation, I highly recommend Postech Screw Piles. If they're good enough for Santa's Village, they're good enough for anyone. Merry Christmas, and we wish you all the best in 2025.